for me to expose my knowledge about regarding the mushroom cultivation technology and value addition. So I'm starting my presentation. So the screen is visible for all students.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. So in this presentation, we will see the objective of mushroom cultivation, then introduction and importance of mushroom, morphology of mushroom, types of mushroom, that is edible or non-edible. Then mushroom cultivation technology means what is the procedure for cultivation of mushroom. Then pest of mushroom, diseases of mushroom, economic importance of mushroom, and some extension activities and some value addition in mushroom. So basically this project is running continuously in Maharashtra, that is the College of Agriculture Alani Osmanabad, and it's affiliated to the Vasantaraw Naik Marathwada Agriculture University, Parvani. So we are conducting this project for our BS Agriculture students. So importance of mushroom. In the importance of mushroom, we know that the mushroom is a fungus, edible fungi, also non-edible fungi, but some species of mushroom are edible and some of them are the non-edible. So edible mushrooms are cultivated for the human consumption as well as value addition as well as making different products. So mushroom is without chlorophyll, means achlorophyllous, and it cannot synthesize their own food because it's lack of chlorophyll. And in the mushroom, there are very nutrient rich proteins, vitamins, that is basically vitamins D is present in the mushroom. So it's very beneficial for our health. It can overcome the different diseases or deficiencies in human bodies by fulfilling their nutrition. So this is the morphology of mushroom. The mushroom is a fungus, hence it is eukaryotic organism. So bearing such plant-like organs like cap. Cap means it's a fruiting body which is cap shaped. Hence it's called as cap. Then gills. Gills are the nothing but it's a vegetative reproductive spores, and the ring is basically on the stolon or stipe. It's also called as stalk. That stalk is connecting between the rhizoids to the cap. So this stalk is called as stipe. Then volva, etc. are the different parts or organelles of the mushroom. So the lamella, veil, stipe, vulva, etc. are the different parts of the mushroom. Now we will see the different types of the mushroom. So edible mushroom. Edible mushrooms are there are few examples of edible mushroom. That is Pleurotus sajar kaju. It means oyster mushroom. Then padistra mushroom, Agaricus bisporus. Then Morchella species, truffles, milky mushroom, regi mushroom, wood air mushroom. These are the different edible mushroom. And the non-edible mushrooms are the Amanita species, that is Amanita phallides, Cortimarius, Corpinus, Comatus, and Colviceps species. So these are the non-edible species. Means these non-edible species mushrooms are consist some toxic substances, and they are not beneficial. They are harmful for human as well as wild animals, and but it can be used in medicinal purpose, also in the making of drugs or toxic substances also. So mushrooms have both mushrooms have importance. Edible mushroom can be used for consumption and different industries for the making of different foods, and non-edible mushroom is also used for industry for the purpose of making different drugs. So there is one history at the Romans times. The one Claudius is the queen of that Roman. Sorry.
Sorry, please go ahead.
Okay. So at that time, actually, the queen is very he has murdered his husband, her husband, that is king, by giving the Amanita phthalates decoction. Decoction means it making a decoction like a tea, and she has a drink for the king, and king is murdered by using Amanita species. So first historical importance is non-edible mushroom is Amanita phthalates. Then what actually procedure for the mushroom cultivation technology? There are some cleaning. Cleaning and sanitation is most important factor to grow the successful mushroom. So cleaning of surroundings means where we have to growing the mushroom. There is a requirement of mushroom not require the soil or any field for the cultivation of there. Just is require one room or one hat also. We can use the hat also for the making of mushrooms, or also we can use the animal sheds also, or also storerooms, or also terrace, or also our storeroom also. So in this, we have to clean the rooms for the first for to prevent the contaminations, and sanitization of the lab is most necessary. So we can do the sanitization. Then arrangement and construction of the dark and light room means mushroom requires dark for their incubation period, and so dark room is also necessary, and also light room. Light room means here we have to give the irrigation or watering to the mushroom. Then collection of straw and spawn. Straw means agriculture waste material like the soybean straw, paddy straw, then feed straw, rice straw. Then we can also use the sugarcane trashes, banana leaves, bamboo trashes, etc. Or also we can use the biodegradable or vegetables also. So these are also fruit peels, etc. We can use for the mushroom cultivation technology. So spawn means it's a seed of fungus, and it is multiplied by using mass multiplication techniques, and spawn is used for the cultivation of mushroom as a seed. Then sterilization and drainage of the straw is most important for the successful mushroom, because there are different microbes in the environment. There are some of them are the airborne, some of them are the waterborne, and some of them are the any media or ingredient borne. So we have to sterilize these contaminants by using chemical, physical, as well as cultural sterilization methods. So we can sterilize these by using chemical as well as physical. So in chemical, we can use some fungicides, some insecticides, or also formalin, malathion, etc. Or in case of the physical control, we can use the autoclave for the sterilization of, or we can also use the boiling method for the sterilization of straws. Then incubation in dark room, it's necessary near about 15 to 18 days are required to for the mycelium running and the growth of the mushroom. And the incubation and light room is necessary for the cultivation of mushroom. Then harvesting and marketing is done. And then if there is pest and disease, then we can you can use the different methods to control these diseases and pest of mushroom. Normally pest and diseases are slightly, if you are doing the clean cultivation or sterilization is good, then there will be no attack of any diseases or pest. And economic mushroom marketing of the mushroom is most necessary. And then we are seeing the cleaning of surroundings, means how to clean the surroundings. These surroundings material can contaminate or can consist the different dirt particles, and some of them are the source of contaminant fungi, contaminant bacteria, or some of them are the flies, then aphids, etc. So they can be, or mites also, they can be contaminated to our lab also. So this is sterilization of lab. Second photographs you are seeing. So lab sterilization is most important. Or if we are growing in our room, so room sterilization, or where we have to locate our mushroom cultivation technology, we have to sterilize this most by using different surface sterilizing agents. Then arrangement of labs or arrangement of the shade. If we are using the shades, then we have to maintain the humidity and moisture, or humidity and temperature. So for that, we are mulching the shades roofs. So first image we are seeing that the students are using the kadbi or using the sorghum or maize straw for the covering of the roof, for the to maintain the temperature or to cool down the temperature. So it's cleaning and arrangement of shades also. So in third images, we are seeing that the bamboo sticks are used for to cover the to infrastructure the mushroom dark room as well as light room. So collection of straw and spawn is most important. Straw are collected by on the from the field. So we can use the straw, different straw like paddy straw, wheat straw, soybean straw, then sugarcane trashes, then bamboo straw, then different meal bioproducts. Then also weeds. We can also use the weeds or grasses also to cultivation of the mushroom. Then paddy straw, we have to collection of the paddy straw is most necessary, and we are using the spawn. The second image is we are seeing that this is the spawn. Spawn is nothing but the seed of fungi. So first method we are using the cleaning sterilization by using the chemicals. So chemical sterilization, we are seeing that the malathion is insecticides, which is safest insecticide used because these have less residual effects. So we can use this in 200-liter tanks or 500-liter tanks. First of all, we have to fill the tank with the help of water near about 200-liter or 100-liter according to our bed size or according to our production unit. So we are using more containers also for the large amount of mushroom cultivations. So this is chemical method. We are using malathion, carbendazim, and formalin. For the formalin used for the surface sterilization of straw, and the malathion used for the if there are straw consisting some stem borer like paddy stem borer, paddy shoot fly, their eggs and larvae also. So to kill these, we are using this pesticide malathion. And if there are some foliar diseases of straw or previous crops, that is wheat, rice, etc. So kill the diseases, we can use the fungicide like carbendazim, or its trade name is bavistin, for the cleaning or sterilization of the fungal or bacterial infection. Then we have to dip the straw in the container or barrel or in the plastic bags also. So we can add this deep this into the container, and then we have to tied up into the for the tied up deep into the water deep level, and we have to check the raise the water level. Means it can be deeply dissolved in the water. Then we have to airtight pack for the straw for the sterilization. It can help to the complete sterilization. In second image, we are removing the straw after the 18 hours of sterilization. Means in previous day we are dipping the straw into the solution for the sterilization. After that we are to removing the straw. After the removal of straw, we have to use the tan, or we can use the floor for the drainage of excess of water. And by adding the fresh water or running water or tap water, we can remove the all chemical residues from the straw. After the chemical residues, we have to carry it to the our mushroom unit or mushroom room, and we have to just moist straw. We have to use the moist straw. 40% moisture should be present in the straw. If there is more moisture, then it may be fails to the growth of mushroom. Hence we have the fungus, we require the moisture. Hence we have to check the moisture level by pinching with the help of our forehand. Also we can spread this straw on the mulching paper or on the polythene sheets for the drying, initial drying, and it improve the your mushroom quality as well as mushroom spawn runner. Then it by blowing the fan as well as by using the coolers, we can dry this straw. After the drying the straw, we have to fill the bags. While bag filling, we have to sterilize our hand, our equipments, which is necessary, or we have to use the mask as well as we have to use the hand gloves also. So in the first image, we are seeing that some students are layering the bags. Layering is most important. We have to take the first polythene bags to tie the mushroom, to make the beds of mushroom or to fill the straw. So polythene bag size should be 60 into 90 centimeter size. So it may be the first of all we have to tie the both ends, one single end of the bags to make the circular round of the bed. So and after that we have to fill the layer of straw, that is paddy straw or wheat straw or any whatever straw material we are using. After the layer should be 5 to 8 centimeter width, and it should be if first layer of the straw, then we have to add the one near about 15 near about 50 to 25 gram spawn for the one layer, and layering is done by using our forehand for and spread the spawn on the layer. If spreading the spawn, it should be added into the straw, not outside of the polythene bags, so it can be sterilized. The It can not be helpful for the growth of the spawn or running of the spawn. So we have to take care to about filling the spawn, and then we have to make second layer of the straw. Then after that, vice versa, we have to also use the spawn layer. After that, then third layer should be straw, and it's near about one bag contains 5 layers or 4 layers, and then tightly tied with the help of thread, and then give the date of that type of mushroom or color of the mushroom on date of the bag filling. After that, we have to open it after 15 to 18 days. So in the last image, we are seeing that we are tightly compressing the bags, because of if there will be loses, then it will be mushroom spawn will not run properly. Hence we have to tightly pack. Then after that, we have to arrange these bags into the rack and in the dark room. To make the dark room, we can cover the black cloths or black aerial cloths to cover this, because mushroom requires night period or dark period for the their spawn growth and running of the mycelium. So it beds are kept for the 18 to 20 days or near about 15 days according to the mycelium run. And after 15 days, check out the mushroom growth. If there will be pinhead formation, means pinhead like structure will be formed. And if pinhead structure is formed, then we can cut the bag by using the cutting knives or also scissors, and separate the polythenes from the beds, and we have to hang out these beds on the racks or also on the racks or also on the cage, so it may be gives the exposed to the all sides of the beds to grow the mushroom. Then we are seeing that the beds are sprouting is done, and this sprouting can be conversion into the pinheads and pinheads into the mushroom. So these mushrooms are growing near about 3 to 5 days after the opening of bags, so fully beds will be seen. So this was the oyster mushroom, so it can look like oyster, and hence this mushroom species is Pleurotus sajar kaju, and its color is white. So we are seeing that watering is most important, because if the mushroom requires wetness for their growth. If we are in the incubation period, we have to in the incubation period we are not necessary to give the watering, but only we have to give the watering in the cultivation period. So mushroom cultivation period is complete after the bag filling, after 20 days after the bag filling, and after removing the bags, we have to give the watering at the 3 times. It's morning time, then it's afternoon time, and last one is the at evening time. So it can be while giving the watering, give the watering to the all sides of the mushroom beds, because the germination of the spawn and pinhead formation is started from the all sides. So don't forget about the don't forget about the watering, because a mushroom requires more wetness. And check the humidity and temperature also. Temperature should be near about 25 degrees Celsius below, means it requires 20 to 25 degrees Celsius temperature, and humidity should be maintain above the 90%. Its humidity maintaining is very critical step, because if we are not maintaining the humidity, then fungus cannot be grown to cultivation of successful mushroom. We have to maintain the humidity. We can also set the cooler, we can also set the fogger to maintain the humidity. We are simply doing the or one simple method is there, that is we are dip the gunny bag into the water and spray the water on the gunny bag, and they spread into the mushroom cultivation room. It will be helpful to improve the humidity and to increase humidity, and it's a very easy and simple method and commonly used in all India. So this is about mushroom cultivation. Then fresh mushroom is harvesting most necessary. Mushroom is near about the yield of mushroom is near about 3 to 4 kg per bed if the bed is successfully cultivated, and normally average yield of mushroom is near about 2 to 3 kg. So and the cost of cultivation for per bed is near about 40 rupees, only 40 rupees, and the yield of mushroom will be 2 to 3 kg averagely. So it means if mushroom price is near about 400 kilogram, so 400 kilogram per kg price is mushroom is 400 rupees for fresh mushroom, and 12 1200 for the dry mushroom. Dry mushroom means if mushroom we can dry into the shade or dry into the sunlight for the making the further product or preservation or store of the mushroom. So first method is blanching method, because if we are using the different pesticides or insecticides to control the pest and diseases, then we have to blanching is done. If our mushroom cultivation technology is organic, then not need to blanching. So in blanching we are using the cylinder gas for the burning of the water, and boiling of the water is necessary. In boiling water, there we have to add 1 spoon of the 1 tablespoon of the common salt, that is NaCl, and then after the in the boiling we have to add this mushroom for the boiling. After the some after few minutes we have to remove the mushroom, and then there will be chemical residues will be less or removed, and this boiled mushroom we can make the different recipes. So the cost of cultivation for the mushroom is near about 40 rupees per bed, and the yield is near about 1200 rupees. So it's very beneficially project or beneficially business for the any agricultural graduates or any educated students or any educated persons. Or also if we have get the skill of this mushroom cultivation technology, then we can use the our business, and we can also provide the all mushroom to the all export and import, also export for the from the India. So this fresh mushroom is to preserve this mushroom, we can use also another methods for the preservation of mushroom, but drying is most common method for preservation. So after that marketing is necessary. So before we can use the fresh mushroom, but blanching is not necessary for the marketing. So we can after harvesting of the fresh mushroom, we can carry it to the market, and we can use the per packet by making the per packet. So we are cultivating after the cultivation, we are making 125 gram packets, means 4 packets for 500 kg, and it will be sold at 50 rupees per packet. And it local market we can use the also we can sell the, if our business is high, then we can sell this into the different high cities like Pune, Mumbai, then Delhi, etc. Or also we can use the export agencies for the export of mushroom from our country to other countries. So in the mushroom cultivation, there are some problems like diseases, that is green mold. So this green mold is caused by Trichoderma species. Then dry bubble, it's caused by Verticillium species, fungal pathogen, Fungicola. And the inky cap. Inky cap means it's burning of ink like found in the mushroom caps. So it's using the spreading ink. So it's commonly called as inky cap. So these are the some fungal diseases, and we control by using different carbendazim or safest fungicides which have less residual effects, because we are using the mushroom for the consumption. So this type of diseases we can observe in the cultivation technology. Then also some diseases like ticky mold, olive green mold, yellow mold. So these are the fungal diseases. They can contaminate to the fungal pathogen. If sterilization is not properly done, then this mushroom diseases will be we will see. Then we have also some face to the pests of mushroom, that is acid flies, florid flies, mosquito flies. Means due to the watering and continuously bagging of the mushroom, the flies are attacking on our beds. So to kill these beds, we can use the mechanical method, like we have to stick the yellow ticky strap or also blue sticky trap to control this pest. Then we can also use this pest fungicide like pest insecticide like neem oil to control this acid flies or florid flies or mosquito flies. So this can be helpful to by using different chemical, physical, mechanical methods to control pests and diseases. If your sterilization is good, then there is not problem to face this type of pest and diseases. So clean cultivation and sterilization is most important, and watering properly and cleaning is most necessary. So marketing channel for mushroom: producer to consumer, producer to retailer consumer, and producer to wholesaler, retailer, and consumer. Means we can use these three channels for the marketing. So we also published some articles. If you have to get more knowledge about this, you can read the articles like agricos e-newsletter. So these are the some articles, that is nutritious best from agriculture waste, and best substrate for the, which is the best substrate for the growth of mushroom. Means we have observed that to successfully growing of the mushroom, the wheat straw as well as paddy straw as well as soybean straw are best substrate, nutritious substrate, and they can give the maximum yield of mushroom. So this type of folders are making by using our extension activities. So this folder is in Marathi language. We can also publish in all local language as well as English and Hindi language also. So then there will be some leaflets by made by using the informative structure of the mushroom. So this is about all about mushroom. If any doubt, any problem, you can immediately ask me. I will try to solve your problem.
Thank you, Mr. Annasaheb, for a very detailed presentation. I'll take up the questions from our participants now.
Okay.
The first question is,
Yes.
what made you to take an interest in mushroom cultivation and value addition?
In the actually, sorry, I was missed the
Okay, I'll repeat the question.
Okay.
You want, what made you to take an interest in mushroom cultivation and value addition?
Okay, its first step is awareness of mushroom, because all people not aware about the mushroom.
Okay.
Giving the beneficial importance of mushroom, health diet, as well as in the pandemic situations, some peoples are vegetarian, so they are not use the highest protein rich substances for the consuming, like chicken, mutton, or eggs also. So the substitution for this non-vegetarian is the mushroom is best, and we can also increase our immunity by consuming the mushroom.
Okay. Can you please stop sharing the screen so that we can see your video?
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We can see you. Thank you. So I'll move to next question now. Have you provided any consultancy services for growing mushrooms to anyone?
Yes, actually in the Maharashtra there is Osmanabad district. So here so many ladies means the youth or ladies, they are came to the as a they are cultivation, they are interested in mushroom business. So I have given the 3 days workshop on the mushroom cultivation technology.
Okay. I'll move to next question now. Can you give reference of any successful mushroom farm we can visit?
Sorry, please repeat.
Can you give reference of any successful mushroom farm where we can visit?
Yes. In the Maharashtra, the first mushroom research station is located at the Himachal Pradesh, that is Shimla, Solan. So we can, if we have to more information about mushroom, we have to most visit to the mushroom research station, which is located at Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Solan. And also in Maharashtra, there is a Kolhapur district, then Nashik district. There are also projects which are getting near about 1 acre plants. They have 1 acre plants, and they are cultivated near about producing near about 200 quintals per day mushrooms.
Okay. I'll take up the next question now. Okay, what are the main reasons why some mushroom units fail?
Yes.
Hello?
Hello. Yes, please.
Yeah, you, okay, I'll repeat the question. What are the main reasons why some mushroom units fail?
Okay. Most important two things are most important. That is maintain the humidity and temperature, and then second one is the sterilization and clean cultivation is most necessary. If two things are not done properly, then mushroom plan will be fail. And remaining one lacuna, there is marketing problem. Some of them are the marketing problem because people have not more knowledge about the mushroom, or they are not understood the mushroom. Hence the marketing, sometime marketing also can give the failure of the mushroom business.
Okay. So, okay, I don't see any further questions from our participants. So now we have come to end of question round. Agricultureinformation.com likes to thank Mr. Kanifanath, Annasaheb, Burgute for sharing all the details about mushroom cultivation. And we also like to thank all the participants for joining this meeting. The meeting will now be closed. Have a good and safe weekend and wish you all a very happy Holi.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day. Happy Holi.
Thank you.